A gold yesterday has created a bullish candle. Inside the premium analysis, yesterday I have shared two breakouts which were bullish breakouts, and they were successful, a profitable one where the price has formed a bullish breakout above the resistance levels, which I have mentioned yesterday in the daily analysis. Now if you would like also to join that premium analysis where you get the information when the breakout happens with the target, feel free to check the description, the link will be below. Now regarding the yesterday candle, we can see that the bullish candle has been formed and the price has formed several bullish breakouts. First of all, yesterday I have said that the price had support level here. First of all, a small resistance that needs to be broken, but yesterday when I have made this analysis, the price was already forming this bullish breakout and also the bullish candle. And after that, the price had one of these resistance levels in front of them, and that is 2907.88, which the price has broken yesterday on the small levels, on the small time frame like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which has been shared inside the premium analysis. Now let's see. Yesterday also mentioned that the second resistance, that is very important one, is 2930.06. I have modified this one resistance level since yesterday because I have adapted to the market conditions. So if you would like also to receive this MetaTrader 4 template with this resistance and support level and these supply and demand zones, feel free also to join the premium analysis. Now regarding the resistance level, we can see that the price has managed to form this bullish breakout yesterday with this bullish candle. We can see that it is a pretty strong one where the price has reached this confluence of resistance. A confluence of resistance is this horizontal resistance line and this trend line, which is acting also as a resistance, and the price is just here at the confluence of resistance forming this bullish breakout. We can see that the price of this candle has closed above this resistance level, where the price in the last two attempts, we can see that this one day and this day could not manage to close the day above, which means that yesterday's bullish strength was enough strong to push the price above, which is a very important signal for the bulls. Now after the price formed this bullish breakout above a very important resistance level, in this case it is important that the next day, the next candle should not return back below this resistance, which will be confirmation of this bullish breakout. But if the today candle, which is currently a bearish one, forms a candle that has closed that will close below this area of currently is acting as a support, this means this bullish breakout will be invalidated, suggesting further decline in value where the price will try to move down, targeting the first support level. Now where is that the first support level if the price makes a bearish breakout? First support is always this one here, which was the previous resistance. Now that will be around 2929 price level. We can see that here. So if the price managed to make a bearish breakout, and especially that is on the lower time frame like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which will be a trigger for the price and also information for us that the price will try to target lower price levels. Now if that happens, we can see that on the daily time frame the next support level is this one here, where we have open and close the price of these two candles, because this is the empty area. From this area here, from here, there is no support and resistance confluence between these candles body, so we can see it is an open area for the price to drop down. So the price will try to stop here around 2908 support level. That is in the case if the bears tries to push the price down and they manage to close the price below this area of support on the lower time frame, like 1-hour time frame, which I'll be monitoring today and see how the price behaves. Now this is a bullish breakout, which is indicating further rise in value. So if the price continues to rise in value, the next resistance level where the price will target is 2950.00. So this is the target currently I'm having for the price after making this bullish breakout. Will the price manage to reach this area today or the next day? That depends what the price will do at the current support level and also the resistance level where the price has stopped yesterday. You can see that this is the daily resistance level that has been broken, but on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame I have resistance levels currently where the price is. So the price, especially this one here, where the wicks are of these two price level, and this one here. So the wick here around 2940 and this one here 2943 is the small resistance levels which are visible on the 1-hour time frame that will prevent the price from reaching higher price levels. Now if the price managed to go above this resistance level and close the a candle on the 1 hour time frame, especially 4 hour time frame, this will be indication that the price will try to move higher and reaching 2950.00 at resistance level, which will be the next target. So everything is very important what happens on the lower time frames, which will be the indication of the direction for the rest of the day, which I'll be also sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis, so you can also join. Feel free to check it below in the description. Now, first of all, very important to remember that we currently need to watch what happens today with the today candle, which will be indication for the future days in the rest of the week. That is on the daily time frame. So for now, I'm waiting and also targeting 2950 because of this bullish breakout, but I will monitor closely this one here, which is a support level that needs to hold for the price in the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. If it is not broken, and we can see for example some kind of a bullish price action signal, for example a bullish engulfing candle or bullish pin bar at this support level, this will be indication for the price. Especially for the gold, whenever you can see a bullish pin bar or bearish pin bar, I will show you one of them. For example, this one here, we can see a bullish pin bar has been formed. Usually on the gold, this is indication of the direction of the price. So you can see if we go further on, we can see a bullish pin bar right here formed. The price is moving the direction, and especially this one, which has been formed right at the support level. This is one of the great informations for the price, and especially for the gold. It follows the direction of the pin bar, so the price has reached the next target. So this is something that I will watch closely on the lower time frame to see how the price will behave around this support level. But this is a bullish breakout at the confluence of resistance, which is a very important one. So we'll see how the price will behave, but I am more inclined to see the price moving higher. If you would like also to receive one of the trading accounts, which currently I'm sharing with my broker, $300, $200 and $100, feel free to check also the description and also join, so you can also be in the competition to win this one. There are no obligations, especially the only thing that you need is to register and make one trade with the broker that I'm currently using. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.